My name is Donna. I work at Warrior Restoration. I have been here almost 6 years now. I run our mold division. Not only do I care about the customers, I care about my boss. I'm friends with him, his wife, their kids, and family. So my job is to take care of the customers, to take care of Warrior, to follow all the procedures so there's no liability issues on the backside, and to do the best job I can for the company and for my customers. Everybody here is family. If something goes wrong at home and you have an issue at home, they're gonna call and check on you. They're gonna make sure you're doing okay. If anybody needs any type of assistance, Lee and Tiffany are always there to step up. If I have a friend or family member or somebody, even you hear about something going on in the community, tornado, they're always giving, we let them know, hey, these families need help at Christmas or Thanksgiving, and they're first to jump in and respond, and donate food, even furniture if people are in need. So they really care about their community, which they've been in Coweta their whole lives. Once you start working here, you end up, all the other employees, you end up making friends, and they're lifelong friends. I come in knowing that if there's something wrong, I can have somebody to talk to work with, to drop off my truck at Ford if I need to, and then get a ride back. We have a good time together. It's fun.